Who is there?
Hi.
Hi. The hookup girl KD sent.
Yes.
Wow, you are fine.
Thank you.
Come here.
Can I sit?
Yeah, yes, you can sit.
Thank you.
Um, you're welcome.
Thank you.
What's the name?
I'm Mara.
Wow. I'm Emmanuel. Nice to meet you, Mara.
Thank you.
Um, I must confess, you are the first pretty lady KD has ever brought for me.
Wow. Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm flattered.
You are free.
Thank you.
It's not easy to be as beautiful as you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You see, you're not looking bad.
Are you
Yeah.
serious? I'm shy.
You don't have to.
Excuse me. Let me
Okay.
take this call. Hello? Oh, okay. I'm coming to pick it. Just give me a few minutes. Oh, bye. Excuse me, I'm coming. Let me get something at the junction.
Okay. Okay.
I'll be fast.
All right. Wow. This house is so nice. But it's a little bit dating. Oh, you're back.
What are you doing?
I'm sweeping, of course.
Are you sure you know why you are here?
Yes.
Um, why are you here?
I'm here for Hookup.
When did hookup people start sweeping houses?
I mean, I thought that this place is dirty, so I decided to clean it up. I mean, there's nothing.
Are you sure it's still the same price I bargained with KD that I'm still going to pay you?
Yes.
Because what I'm saying is like it's beyond the price.
You don't have to worry. I'm okay. It's the same price. I'm okay.
Eh,
Yes.
okay, this one comes with the package.
Yeah.
Okay, just leave everything. Let's get inside the room and do it.
No, I'm already done with it. Let me just finish it up.
Hello? I Okay, I'm coming. Let me get it. Okay. Excuse me, I'm coming. Let me get something.
All right.
This is the bag you came with, right?
Yes.
This bag cannot contain clothes. How did you get that clothes? Is that not my clothes?
Yes. It's a cloth. I got it from a room.
Sorry to ask you again. Are you sure you know why you are here?
Yes, I know I'm here. I'm here for hookup.
Please don't go with that polo. It's very important to me. You hear?
Don't worry, I won't go with it.
Uh-uh. Hope it's not my shawarma.
Mm, it's your shawarma. I was a little bit hungry, so I decided to find something for myself to eat. I got it from your fridge. Hope there is no problem.
You didn't eat before coming or what?
I mean, I ate, but after cleaning this place, I was hungry, so I decided to get something for myself.
Hey.
What?
No, nothing. Uh,
Mm,
okay. Eat fast so that we'll go to the room and do what you came for.
okay. Are you sure you're okay?
Hey, that shawarma is the last food here. Oh. I don't know how you summoned it.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know.
But there's no problem. Just be fast and come inside the room. Oh.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. You won't come in to come and eat it. You are stingy.
I'm sorry. You can come and join me.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm coming now.
No problem.
No, enjoy.
That guy is funny. I'm done. Let's get to business.
Yeah. Come over here.
Good morning. I made breakfast for you. I made breakfast for you. Enjoy. I'm coming. I'm doing something in the kitchen. I'll be right back.
What are you doing?
Washing.
You are washing my clothes.
Yes. Any problem?
I asked you for the third time. Are you sure you know why you are here?
I know why I'm here. I'm here for hookup.
Um, sorry, just leave everything. Call your account number. Let me send your money to you so that
Why?
you will go.
Let me just finish it up
No,
now
no,
before I
don't worry, don't
go.
worry. You are done with what made you come. We are done with it. Call your account number. Let me send you your money. Call your account number.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry about the money.
Call your account number.
I'm okay. Don't worry. I'm okay. Since you said I should go, don't worry. I'm going. Let me go and change my clothes.
Hookup doesn't want to collect money. Where did KD bring this person?
I'm going.
Excuse me.
Your clothes is inside. I'm not going with your polo.
Okay, okay.
See you some other time.
Alright. Imagine. Hook up here, you want to clean up my house.
How was it?
Well, it didn't go well. It
What
didn't
happened?
go
What
well.
happened?
Just coming from his place.
Just give me a good news now. You're telling me that what's the problem?
So, I went to his place and I served him breakfast on bed, do some cleaning, even I want to wash his clothes. He got angry and he seems that
Stop, Ja! You just go there overdo. You watch clothes, you do this one. How will you expect him to listen to you?
seriously, I was not thinking that way. I was not expecting him to chase me out of his house.
So what do you want me to do now?
I don't know if you can help me a little more.
I don't.
Please.
Before I help you again, you know my own is business. Before I will help you again now, you have to send me my balance. Do you get? No. Do it. No.
I really want
I'll
this
just leave
guy.
you.
No.
Calm down.
Please,
Wait. Do my transfer now. Once you send the money, I will tell you what to do. Which one be say you go there?
Wait.
Go
I'll
there
do
wash
the
clothes.
transfer now. I'll
Do it now. Do it now.
I'll do it.
Somebody is even calling me. Let me.
No. Wait. I'm doing the transfer already. Wait. Just give me some minutes. Is that your pay, right?
Yeah, send it there.
Okay.
Simple thing. Just go and see the guy. Go there, wash clothes, sweep house, breakfast on bed. For the very first night you met the guy.
I've done it.
Yeah, come. Let me tell you what you do now. You know, the initial plan was to just go there, make friends with him. Now you can't overdo everything.
I was trying to be nice, and moreover, I went there. His house was a little bit dirty, so I can't stay in
Did
a
he beg
dirty
you?
environment.
Did he beg you?
It irritates me seeing dirty place, and I can't stay there. So I
Please, I don't.
some
It's okay. I
cleaning.
don't have time. Look at what you will do.
Oh,
Calm
God.
down. I understand how you feel. Come close. Fine girl. Calm down. See what you will do. Tomorrow, buy fruits. All these fruits now. Go back to his house. Don't tell him you are coming. No. Don't.
Okay.
I will not even tell him that you are coming.
Okay.
Just go there. Give him a surprise visit.
Okay.
Then from there, I know my guy very well. You understand? Just make sure you buy fruits.
Okay. Are you sure this will work?
If it not work out, drag me. Just drag me anywhere. Just drag me anywhere.
Chase me out of his house again.
In fact, I don't.
Kidding now, wait.
Okay, it's okay. Just try this one now. If it doesn't work out, I'll give you another one.
Okay,
But remember, you have to pay.
Hmm?
You have to pay now. If this one doesn't work out, we try
Oh,
another.
let me pay again, but it's just
Go and do this one I told you now. Yeah, start going, start going, start going. There's no time.
okay.
Oh yeah.
My guy, my guy.
How far that?
Ade.
How far that girl will give you that day now?
Hey, the girl makes sense. I no go lie, the girl makes sense very well, and the girl is actually good, I must say. Even at a point, I started developing feelings for this girl. But I have this mindset that once you are into hookup, to stop it is very, very hard. So I had to wave out the feelings.
Bad guy.
Anyway, I'm in a haste. If not, I would have said that. Let me drop it. But I'm in a haste.
Now just stay they go now. No worry yourself.
Don't worry. Next time, if I still need, yeah, I'm Asiawu.
Bad guy.
Alright, take care. One love.
Excuse me.
But do you know this girl very well?
The one I sent to you?
Yes.
No. It's just a random hookup girl I met a few days ago. Any problem?
No, there is no problem.
You sure say there's no problem?
No problem at all.
Bad guy.
Alright now, take care. Yeah, Sue is there, come in.
Hi, handsome. Hi, baby.
Come here, where are you going to?
I got banana for you, so I want to put inside the fridge. So it's to get good before you take it.
I can't remember calling KD to bring any girl for me this night. How? Who called you?
I came to see you. I'm coming.
KD. Which kind of person this guy brought for me? Baby? Did I ask you out? Which one is baby? Are you forcing it on me? Hello?
Hello, Emmanuel.
Please, that girl you brought for me yesterday, I don't understand.
What is it?
I was just seated in my house. I heard a knock on the door. I told the person to come in. Lo and behold, the girl just entered. Said, baby, touched my beers. I was going straight into my room. I called her, asking her where she was going to. She said she bought banana for me. Like how? A hookup girl I brought last night bought banana for me the next day. How? Is the confidence for me.
Now, wow. Like I told you, she's just a random hookup girl. Besides, you told me you're having feelings for her.
Guy, forget the thing. Yes, I told you I was having little feelings. Like I was feeling the girl. Hey boy, it's not enough reason for. Excuse, I will call you back. Let me check what is happening inside the room. I heard bakara bakara.
Oh my God, Jesus. What?
Oh yeah. Take that banana off my off.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
Take that banana off my fridge.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
I'm not your mate. Come on, get it
I'm
out.
so sorry. I didn't mean to.
Yeah, get out of my
I
house.
got the banana for you now.
I'm not your mate. Out of my house.
Please,
I
I'm so sorry.
will slap you. Come on, get out of my house. Hi, Hookup. Kambo nwa na ndị Igbo m na-ebu n'elu m. Ọ pụọna? Can you imagine? Normal hookup everybody is going for. Kambo mbute nonsense. Here, baby. Let me lock my door before I change your mind. Nonsense.
Kedi. Stop now.
What is it?
He chased me out of his house again.
What happened?
I broke a bottle of granite
You broke bottle of granite
by mistake.
and you stopped me on the road to tell me.
It was not intentional.
See, let me tell you. Don't you ever try to stop me on the road again to tell me this nonsense.
Kedi, stop. Kedi, wait now.
Well, my name is Will, and that's God's will for you. My love, you no get it, that's why you no fit expire. If it be my Eve, I don't go chop your apple like that. Oh baby, hear me out, hear me out, They say 1 + 1 is 2, but for our own case, in a what need be. If not be forever, I know they do at all. They say 1 + 1 is 2, but for our own case, in a what need be. If not be forever, I know they do at all. Yeah. Oh, no, hey, baby, oh, be more. Ay, 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 oh, oh, baby, oh, you know. See, all my life, now only you I know. Atalugo dina mwa Obimo malita see, I no go use you play. Even if I be Ronaldo Whoa. Right now I giving you my all. I come take my last name. Even if the time me make I leave you, I no send to anybody.
Yes, who is there?
Well, my name is Will, and that's God's will for you. My love, you no get it, that's why you no fit expire. If it be my Eve, I don't go chop your apple like that.
Hi.
Good morning.
Morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Actually, I came to apologize for what happened, and came to tell you that I'm not a hookup girl. I actually planned this out with KD because I've been crushing on you for a very long time now. So I planned it out with KD to meet you as a hookup girl I know if you can get to like me, but it seems that it didn't work out. So pushed me out of your house. No, I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to.
Um, I, I, I don't understand. You actually planned this with Kid, my friend.
Yes, Katie is my childhood friend. So we've known for a very long time. So and I've been crushing on him for a very long time now. So I met him and asked him for help to help me to meet you. So he decided to meet you in this way and coming to you as a hookup girl.
Um, I'm sorry, I still don't believe this because the KD I know cannot do such a thing.
I'm sorry. I did it.
Um, Actually, um, you were the one I was thinking about before you entered. I must say, after that first day, I've been thinking about you all through the day. I must confess, I love you.
You be the brush, I be the paste.
Ah!
You be judge and I be case. You be trouble, I be base.
Love you too.
Come over here.
Baby gone, now I the days. But I be searching for a babe. You be my shoe, I be the lace. All other girls see them be fake. I got you all of my days. Follow me, call on my dates. No mind you waiting they say, oh. Hey, my one way. They want to come between us, baby. Them go fellow. Yawa me, I go demonstrate.